Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll look at how to configure proxies in your Kali machine. If you're following along this course and if you have watched previous videos, we have looked at the proxy chains, add-on surf and other stuff for anonymity. But I thought, why not, if we are discussing anonymity, let's also discuss these proxy chains. Although I would not recommend using these proxy chains because it doesn't make you fully anonymized. Like you are accessing either paid or free proxies, which means that your DNS and your traffic logs are with, and all of your details are with that proxy. If you're using a paid proxy, that would be a bit more faster than a free one, but with them, they would be having your account details, your location, your DNS, and if the authorities question them, they will indeed provide your details to the authorities. If you're doing some hacking stuff, like suppose if you hack some server with their proxy and suppose authorities question them, so they will indeed give your details to them no matter what you pay them. Anyway, so that's why I don't recommend that. And if you're using free proxies, indeed, I'm not sure and I'm not claiming that they would sell your data, but still they would, in some manner, they would make some money. So that's why I don't recommend using free or paid proxies. Although a lot of YouTubers would advertise their express VPNs and stuff like that. But I would just say that instead use proxy chains or anon surf. That's a better alternative. If you are agreed using that, I will link some videos down in the description so you can check it out how to configure them. But let's move on with the video how to configure proxies. So in this video, I will be using this vpnbook.com/freevpn. You can use any free VPN you can find on the internet. For me, using this OpenVPN book, there is no specific reason. But I just searched for free VPN and this was the first result that came in Google. So that's why I just clicked on it and just open it. You can use any VPN you want to use. So once you open this vpnbook.com, you can just see a lot of different proxy servers. This one is indeed from the US, this is from the Canada, and this is from the France, whichever you want to use. Let's download this Canadian one. I will just click on it. It will just say download and stuff like that. So I have already downloaded it. So once it gets downloaded, you will get a zip file, something like this. And you can just right click on it and open the location and then extract it. Once you extract it, you will get quite a few files like these ones. So you can just use any one of the proxy right over here, but for the simplicity's sake, I will just use this one. So I'll click on rename, Control A, copy the name, and then come over to the terminal if it's open. If it's not open, let's open it up. Sorry about my sore throat. It's just from few days. I'm really not feeling well with this throat. Like I have some sort of throat infections. Indeed, it's not coronavirus, but it's still a pain in the ass. Anyway, once the terminal gets opened, just go to the folder which is downloads and ls. Here we have all of the files that we downloaded from the internet. So what we can do is we can write sudo open VPN and then the name of the VPN that we want to use. I will just click paste and it will ask for a username. And the username is right over here on the website, which is VPN book, the username and password. So username is VPN book, press enter, and the password is S4WHLVC. Press enter. And we will wait a few moments give it some time to, and the VPN is up and running. Now let's look for DNS leaks. I will press enter with the DNS leaks, and indeed you will find out that our IP would be changed over to some Canadian VPN server. And indeed you can see that we are in Canada. So now if you check for DNS leaks, indeed this would be leaking some DNS and stuff like that. Still, it's not recommended way for the anonymity. Like using the proxy is not recommended way of being anonymous on the internet. You can still use it if you're facing some problems with proxy chains and anon surf, but I would not personally recommend that because it leaks your DNS, as well as once the authority questions them, they will indeed provide your info. Anyway, this is pretty much it for this video. We just discussed 2 steps. The first one was downloading the free VPN and then setting it up in the terminal, and then whatever you browse would be through this proxy chain. So this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you did learn something new. You did find out how to use or configure proxy chains and how to be anonymous on the internet. Have a pleasant day. Bye for now. Till next time, enjoy hacking, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.